Good afternoon and welcome to Twin Lakes Golf Course, the friendliest place to play in Mountain Home. Our golf course is an 18-hole facility, par 70, and we have, of course, the friendliest place to play, the best staff going, and we'd love to have you come and see our golf course when you're here visiting. We have memberships that are also available on an annual basis. $11.95 for a single and $17.90 for a family. Our family, anyone under 18 years of age, is counted as a family member. We do have cart sheds for you to use or to store your own cart. We also have trail fees. If you don't want to have a cart on the premises, you can bring your own golf cart with you and actually use it to go around our golf course. We have a wonderful fitting system here from Strixon. We can set you up with any type of club, shaft angle, flex, club head speed, club head design. And we have a certified fitting instructor as well as a professional instructor. Other than that, we also have a junior program and a junior membership. Juniors 18 and under can play for $150 the entire calendar year. They are not allowed to take a golf cart unless they're over 18 years of age. And of course, if they're over 18, they're not going to be in our junior program. So again, we are family oriented. We love to have you come visit us. Our pro shop also has golf balls. We have clubs, we have snacks. We have trophies for our membership programs. We have a men's league, we have a ladies league, and we have a group we call the 39ers. They play Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. They even have an occasional Saturday scramble. Twin Lakes is also a not-for-profit organization. We are run by the Board of Directors and Association. We cater to local high schools. We also have charity events here for kindness and many other programs. The Chamber of Commerce also helps organize these things for us, and we appreciate their assistance. So please come see us at Twin Lakes. We are available online for reservations, or you can call for reservations at 425-2028.